Hey, this is the Nissan Sentra 2020 reverse light tutorial. As you can see here, this is my Nissan Sentra SR. I already have the license plate LEDs done, but here is the original incandescent reverse light bulbs for my car that Nissan provided, and I'll show you how to change it. Essentially, you're going to need to remove the cargo liner, and this involves taking 12 pins off of it. Fairly simple, pretty easy to take off. You might have some trouble with the trunk release door, removing that part, but once you have that part, everything is pretty easy to take off and reassemble. And there are 12 pins, and this is how it looks like. Fairly easy to take off. You could use some tools, but I decided to just use a flathead screwdriver. Here's a picture of how it looks like once you take the cargo liner off. And essentially, you're going to need to remove that red part circled. You're going to want to twist to the left, and here's how you do it. Essentially, you want to twist to the left, and you want to gently pull it out. It might take a little bit of effort, but it should be fairly simple, fairly easy to take off. And there it is, one with the incandescent bulbs. You want to replace it with your LED bulbs. The specifications will be provided in the description. But once you replace it, you want to make sure you check it, and this looks pretty good to me. And you want to put it back in, you twist to the right. Here's how it looks like with one LED bulb in for the reverse light compared to the incandescent bulb. I think it looks a little bit brighter. I think it looks a lot better. It matches with my license plate LED bulbs. And you want to do the same for the other side. So I didn't want to show the video because it's the same thing, but you twist to the left, you take it out, you replace it with the LEDs. Make sure you try it, make sure you check it out, make sure it's good. And once it works, you plug it back in, you twist to the right, and here's how it looks with both LED reverse taillight reverse bulbs. So it looks pretty good. I think it makes your car a little bit more premium, makes it match with the license plate LED bulbs. And there it is, nice and simple. Reassemble everything and you're good to go. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.